Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to adjust the balance and fade of radio speakers. Now you might want to check these settings in case you're having problems with one side of the speakers, or maybe the rear speakers are not working or things like that, or you just want to arrange it to your preference. This video will apply to third generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2011 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now this is quite easy to do. You want to press this right knob. You will see the options here on the top. Now you want to get to balance. Now right now it's in the middle. This goes off fast, so I have to work fast. Now if I pull this to the left, this now means only the left speakers are working, and if I go all the way to the right, only the right speakers will work. So let's leave it at right, and then fade. If I do it this way, this means only front right speaker is working, right? And if I do this, only the rear right speaker will work. And if I leave it here on the rear and I come back to balance and do it like this in the middle, this means only the both rear speakers are working. So this is something you can play with, and in case you're having problems with one of the speakers, these are the settings to check before you take the vehicle to a mechanical shop or anything similar. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.